Hello everyone, my name is Ms. Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So, in previous videos, we have completed book number 1. So, this is the book number 2. We are going to start with book number 2. Today we are going to learn letter D. Letter D. D for duck. Say D for duck. So first you can see the capital D and small d. You can see the capital D and small d. So let's trace this capital D with our index finger. So show me your index finger. So this is the index finger. So let's start. Standing line and then half curve, that is called capital D. अब देख सकते हो बड़ा D है और ये छोटा वाला D है. So this is small d. So standing line and then half curve. This is D for duck. D for duck. So say the names of the pictures that begin with D. Sound and color them. So D for dog, D for doll. Say D for dog and D for doll. So you have to use your crayon colors and color those pictures. Okay. Any color you can use for dog. You can even use black, brown, like this colors, gray, white colors you can use. And for doll you can make it colorful doll. You can use any color to make it look very beautiful. Okay. So next we'll learn is trace and write letter D. Now we'll trace the letter D and even we'll write it. Okay. So we'll start from red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. You can see standing line. This is called standing line. Then this is half curve. This is half curve. D for dice and D for drum. Again we'll trace it. Standing line and the half curve. Standing line, half curve. This is the part we are doing on the tracing dots. There are dots given here and we are doing tracing on it. We'll now do on those lines where there is no dots. So we'll do here. You can see the green color dot will start from there. So from there red line to blue line, standing line, and next half curve. So we'll do half curve. D for dog. Again we'll do standing line and then half curve. See how it's clear and easy to do. I have used a pen, but you are supposed to use your pencil. Now we'll learn small letter D. Small letter D. This is small letter D. So we are going to do how. So here it is a standing line and then half curve. You can see standing line, half curve. Same here it goes, standing line, then half curve, standing line, half curve. So here even you can see the green dot, it's on blue line. So we are going to start exactly from top of the green dot, that is we'll start from red line, standing line, and then half curve, standing line, and then half curve. You can see. So this will be your homework. This page will be your homework. So now here we are going to color those boxes where there is letter D. So you are going to color this 3 boxes. You can see there are letters. So you are going to color with crayons. Okay. So we have to color this box where we can see the letter D. D for duck. D for duck. D for deer. D for dice. D for dolphin. D for door. So those are the picture which starts with letter D. So likewise you have to color the letter D boxes. You have to color those boxes. So like this you have to color the letter D boxes. Okay, color the boxes with D, capital D or small d. So now here we are going to write D below the pictures. D below the pictures. So D for dice. So this is a capital D and this is a small d. We'll write once again D for deer and D for dice. D for dog. D for dog. So this is a picture of dog. So again D for duck, capital D and small letter d. Capital D, D for door and D for door. This is a small letter. So which picture is this? This is a picture of dolphin. So again we'll write capital letter D and small letter d, standing line and half curve.